It's a perfect day for leaving it all behind. Keys in the pocket, engine hums low, rubber meets road, and I let it all go. No destination, just chasing the breeze, just the sound of the wind and my heart at ease. On a Sunday ride, no need to rush, feel the throttle, feel the hush. Every curve, every mile I glide, I find a little peace on the Sunday ride. No map, no time, just open skies, me and the road on a Sunday ride. Wheels roll past sleepy towns and fields, freedom's not bought, it's what this ride yields. Stop for coffee,